What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, I'm gonna do something that I never did before. I am going to put together a couch. That's something I did before, but this couch is from Amazon. So with that being said, I never purchased any furniture from Amazon before. Most of this furniture that I purchased has been from like Bob's Furniture and stuff like that, you know, the mainstream furniture stores. So this is officially my first furniture that I have ever bought from Amazon. I want to see how it is. It's a love seat. Obviously you could tell by the thumbnail, but it's a love seat. I want to see how it is, and then we'll be on and get on with it. Let's go ahead and get into it. Now on the box, it says do not open with a knife, but we have scissors. So there's only one way to open this thing, right? All right, you guys. So from what it looks like, it's just one couch so far. So the other couch have to be in the other box. The other box is smaller than this though. I don't know. Hopefully it ain't one couch only. So let's see what happens. All right, so we have one. All right, so you got a cup holder, which you see on your Amazon. You get a cup holder and you get an armrest. Very nice. So you got to put this on. I'm just looking at it, you guys, not really sure what goes on what yet. Let me bring the other box here. The other box is skinnier. So did I only get one chair? This is supposed to be a love seat. Let me check the other box, you guys. I'm getting a little worried right now. Something is not right. I am getting worried. They only brought in one box. This is supposed to be a love seat. Oh, no, they didn't. This is the back part. Oh my God, bro. This is insane. They only brought in one chair. Hold on, I got a phone call. Oh, I'm getting upset. Oh, you guys, I am getting pissed off right now. I had to turn the camera off. I had to turn the camera off because I'm already cursing. I know I'm trying to be YouTube kids friendly, you guys. I have one more box right here. And this box, I believe, is skinny. It is not as big as that box, you guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. I knew this wasn't gonna be right. I don't even know. I will contact the company and say, I guess I'll tell them Amazon only sent me one box, bro. They sent me the right side of the couch. It's supposed to be a love seat. This thing is a lot of money. Oh man, I might stick to Bob's Furniture, bro. I might just stick to Bob's Furniture. This is ridiculous. This is Amazon for you, you guys. Where did I put my scissors? I am upset right now. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. This is insane. Let's see what's going on, you guys. All right, and this is regular fabric, you guys, and it's the one where you rub and it turns a different shade. So this is old school. I used to like this when I was a kid. I used to do this all the time. All right, you guys, I'm trying to have fun while mad at the same time. Here goes our instructions. And y'all see, it's a love seat. Let me put this together. I guess I could let you know how one chair is. I don't want to give a bad product review on something that Amazon did. Let me just see how to put this thing together. Where's the hardware? You got to be kidding me, bro. You got to be kidding. It got to be here. All right, we got another armrest. Let me see the instructions real quick, you guys. Step 1, connect both couches together. All right, you guys, so I don't know if y'all can see it too well, but there's a black metal piece right here, little bracket. There's a black bracket right here. And there's a slot on this couch right here. And what you have to do is slide it in. All right. That one matches and this side matches. And only thing we should do is push down Okay, let me balance it. Okay, there we go. And the couch is together. That was easy. There's a zipper right here on the side. There we go. All right. So there you go, right there. Is this storage? No, this is not storage. This is for cushion. So no storage right here, you guys. You could just flip this up. It would have been nice if this was storage, but you do have a storage pocket right here. You can put your chair up. You can recline it. All right, you can charge your phone, cup holder, everything is good to go. All right, you guys, so that's the couch. Well, that's one of the seats right here. So I'll give y'all the update on if they bring the couch. So you do have your pouch right here. Put your remote right there if you don't like coffee tables. You have 2 charging ports right there. You do have your recliner. This is a manual recliner. It's not electrical. This is supposed to be on the other couch. This one's supposed to be on this couch. And I'm gonna show y'all why. Give me a second. So y'all seen this part already when I slid this on. This basically have a metal bracket on the side. We have one of these little side pieces. This one has a metal bracket right here. Put it on so it can stay uniform. So let's see. Slide it on. Now it looks like one whole piece of a couch. I'm missing the couch and I'm missing the charger. So here goes the wire right here. Oh, it's comfortable. Oh, yes, you guys, it's very firm. It's very firm. Okay, that might be an issue. All right. Oh, I'm hitting the, oh, this is, you guys, I want the other couch. I want the other couch. We got to figure out what to do. I like this couch. It's very firm. Very, very firm. Oh, and it's so comfortable. Oh my God. This is good, you guys. All right, everyone. So finally, the box came in, you guys. I am so happy. But we have to see if the box have all of the proper materials, okay? So with that being said, we are going to open the box. We are going to put the other chair together. Now, I did email, well, didn't email, but there's something on Amazon called Rufus or whatever. You put in like your concern. So I put in missing item and it says wait a few days because the other box might ship or whatever. So blah, 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 blah. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, you guys, my son said the chair is very comfortable. He actually fell asleep in it.
Is this the armrest?
Yeah. All right, you guys, so we are going to go ahead and put this thing on. And Izzy, grab the back piece. I'm gonna show you how to put that on. Now this may be a little bit difficult. You see how it's supposed to go on?
Yes.
Without the instructions?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
You see, like, not this thing, but this thing.
Okay.
This thing is supposed to go on that.
All right, try it out. You the engineer now. All right, you guys, so. Oh, you did it?
Yeah.
Wow. Even a middle schooler can put this chair together. A middle schooler, 6th grader, can put this couch together. Don't even need instructions, you guys.
Yeah, this one.
The Velcro?
Yeah.
And it's on, you guys. So it's only one thing we're missing is the power adapters. All right, you guys, I'm cutting back in because my wife actually found the adapters. So the adapter was still in the box.
Can't miss it. It makes noise.
So that's on me, you guys. Again, that is on me. So she was determined to find it because she looked at the instructions and see that you can actually put these chairs together. And when you put the power cord together, it illuminates blue.